Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today we're going inside of my refrigerator. You often probably put a little bit of baking soda in the back of your refrigerator right here to keep the smells at bay, allow the baking soda to absorb the nastiness that can accumulate inside your refrigerator. I mean, nothing's worse than having a soda or some strawberries and then they smell and stink and you can taste the grossness that's in here. But what if you're sick of baking soda like I was? I have a really cool trick for you that I actually think works even better than boring old baking soda. Don't get me wrong, I love this stuff. It's absolutely amazing. You may have seen the latest craze. Look at this right here. Deodorant made of charcoal and essential oils. Or how about toothpaste? Epic whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. Noticeably whiter teeth with charcoal toothpaste. What if we were to put some activated charcoal inside of our refrigerator? After all, it detoxifies and absorbs odors much like that of baking soda. This is super satisfying. Look inside there. Let me show you how I use it. Really quick here before I show you my favorite way to use this activated charcoal. I just want to show you right here. This is the beauty of this. You can drink this and you can also use it in your refrigerator. You could use it to brush your teeth. You could use it basically from anything. Vegan, 100% natural. Mix a half a teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with a glass of water and drink it to detoxify your body from toxic substances for best results. Take it once a day. Virgin carbon, that's what's in here. So here's how I like to use it. You may have seen this before. Her name is, well, I shall say, Meet Angry Mama. She's amazing. I made a video about this and how you can use her to clean your microwave, but I just dumped her down in there. In fact, I found similar things on Amazon. I'm going to link them on the screen now that contain activated charcoal. You can buy little pods, kind of like square shaped things from the Dollar Tree. I've made videos on those as well that contain activated charcoal that you can put in your shower, in your bathroom. So I'm just going to pop Angry Mama's head on. I should mention anything I talk about is linked in my Amazon store as well. Lots of fun cleaning supplies that I love. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Angry Mama. There she is, all filled up. You see the holes venting here at the top of her. And then just like you would change your baking soda, I like to change my baking soda or my activated charcoal every 3 or 4 months, just depending. You can start to notice when the activated charcoal or the baking soda is not absorbing the smells as well. And then it's just kind of fun. If you have friends over, this is a great conversation starter. You're like, yeah, pick her head up. We want to see what's inside. There's all this black stuff. It's fun. It's interesting. We keep cleaning fun around here now, don't we? Now, YouTube thinks that you're going to want to watch this video next. Click it. Let's see if YouTube's right. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for the weekly cleaning hack newsletter so you'll be the first to know. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.